How to fix Shopify not working in Safari. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix Shopify not working in Safari. First, open the App Store on your device and search for Shopify. Make sure the Shopify app is updated. If there's an update available, tap on Update to get the latest version. Next, go to your mobile device's settings and select Connections. Ensure your internet connection is stable. To do this, turn off your Wi-Fi and then turn it back on. If that doesn't work, try turning on airplane mode. Wait a few seconds and then turn it off and turn your Wi-Fi back on. After that, go back to your device's main settings menu. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Find and select Shopify from the list of apps. Tap on Storage. Now tap on Clear Cache to remove temporary files. Next, tap on Clear Data to reset the app settings. Go back to the main settings menu and select Software Update. Make sure your device's software is up to date. If an update is available, tap on Download and Install. Finally, restart your device to apply any changes and try using Shopify again in Safari.